we move on to the kids drama. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that he is the friend and well-wisher of all living entities. But we don't know how we will receive his mercy. And it is not necessary that we will get Krishna's mercy through material opulence. Sometimes his mercy may be through sufferings also. So if we want to understand how to get his mercy, let us watch this drama titled O Krishna.
Hare Krishna. तो हमारा नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम है बच्चों के द्वारा एक ड्रामा प्रस्तुत किया जाएगा जिसमें बताया जाएगा कि कृष्णा की मर्जी सिर्फ भौतिक संसाधनों के द्वारा ही नहीं मिलती, कभी कभी सफरिंग के माध्यम से भी कृष्ण की कृपा मिलती है। आइए देखते हैं।
सच्चिदानंद विग्रह अनादिरादि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम।
O Lord, you are the cause and source of everything. You reside in this glorious Goloka Vrindavan.
Oh Narada Muni, I am so happy to see you. How is your Pita Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and everyone in all the three worlds?
O Lord, I was passing through many worlds, Shivaloka and opulent Vaikunda. They are all wonderful.
There must be some special reason to visit me here, Narada.
Yes, Lord, yes. For a long time, there was one thing always bothering me. I asked many great personalities, but I did not get a satisfactory answer. So, I decided to come directly to you here.
I wonder how even great sages like you can also get doubts.
Oh Lord, I think it is you who is raising this question through me. Only you can answer.
Sure, what is it?
I have been traveling to many Brahmandas. There are only few devotees worshipping only you with Ananya Bhakti. And there are so many who worship many gods. Those devotees who worship other gods are blessed with so many opulent things. Their lives are very successful. But
Go ahead, Narada. Go ahead.
I am so sorry to say this. Your bhaktas who worship only you are not blessed like those. They always live poor. Even if they were given with wealth, they lose all of it. Why is this so?
Very good question, Narada. My pure bhaktas who worship only me and no one else are indeed very different. To clear your doubt, we both will go to the earth disguised as my devotee and you will see it live for yourself. All your doubts will go away.
Lord, I remember what happened once when I wanted to witness your mysterious energy, the Maya.
Yes, Narada. I was waiting and waiting for you to bring some water to quench my thirst. But you got in love with a woman, then got married, and...
Yes, I even got so many children and grandchildren. Then, all died at a great flood. And I was crying so bitterly. But still then, I did not remember you. Your Maya is very powerful. I am afraid I have to go through it again.
Oh, Narada, do not worry. Everything will be fine. We both will disguise ourselves and we will go together, chanting my holy names.
Hare Krishna. Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Hare Hare
Narada, I am so thirsty. I need some water.
Lord, I am so exhausted. I need water too. Oh, there, I see a big house. It must be the house of a rich man, maybe the zamindar of this village. We can go and get some water.
Yes, Narada, let us go. Neelu, look, you did not get enough things for me to eat. Go and get more. Yes, Seji. Hey, Balu, I did not get the income report for last month yet. Where is it? We have good news. We got a profit of 3 lakhs rupees for the last month. Only 3 lakhs? I expected more. As usual, spend 1/4 of the profit for the puja. Next time we must have more profit, okay? Yes, Seji. I will arrange for a big Lakshmi puja. Seji, here is more fruit. See, just when I wanted to relax, someone always bothers. Hey, Balu, go check who it is. Oh, Seji, there are 2 sannyasis here. Sannyasis? For what? What are they doing here? Tell them to go away.
Sir, we have been walking so much, and we are feeling very thirsty. Can we get little water?
Seji, they want water. They say they are thirsty. Tell them this is not a dharmashala. Tell them to go away.
Please, give us little water. We are very thirsty.
They won't go away. Let me tell them straight.
Please give us little water. That's all we want. We both are so thirsty and our heads are spinning.
Aha! You have heads, but they are useless. Otherwise, instead of working hard like me and building a nice life, you would not have become beggars. Go and work. See, this human birth is very rare to get, and you should not waste it. Money and fame are the most important. You should enjoy. Why did God give all these things to us? Animals cannot enjoy. Only we can. You are not intelligent. Seji, I can give some water. They will go away. No, no, and no. Do not give them even a single drop of water. Oh, Zamindar, you are very rich. I bless you with more and more wealth. Who are you to give me blessings? I have my Kuladeva taking care of me, making me richer and richer. Do you know that I am the richest in this entire village? Why do I need a blessing? Go away!
Oh, Krishna, you are weird. I do not understand why you said that.
Oh, Narada, let us go to some other house.
After visiting Jamidar's house, Narada was quite perplexed and confused. He was thinking that in spite of such an arrogant behavior of Jamidar, why Krishna has blessed him with more wealth. After this, Narada and Krishna were walking to another house which was situated at the end of the village, and Narada was quite astonished by the spiritual environment of the house. He found an old lady singing a very melodious Krishna bhajan. Let's see what happens here.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivardhari.
Narada, let us also sing bhajan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Oh saints, pranams. I'm so happy that you came to my house. Please come in.
Hare Krishna.
You both seem very tired. Can I get you something to drink? Very nice deity. Yes, here's my Gopala Krishnan. Please sit here. I will quickly bring you something to drink.
I can't believe. What a difference here. This woman lives a very simple life. She has nothing. So poor. But her heart is very sweet.
I'm so sorry I had to milk the cow at an odd time. Luckily, she gave me plenty of milk. Please drink this. Thank you. Also, please take this prasadam. Here's some I made today for the deity. Oh, we are so happy.
We do not know how we can thank you. You have this cow for a long time?
Yes, she's very old. I only have two possessions in my life. One, my Gopala Krishnan, and the other is my poor old cow, Dumali.
Do you have anyone to support you?
No, saint, I do not. Bhagavan took everything away from me and made me a pauper. My relatives and friends all abandoned me. At least you have a cow. Looks like you are attached to your cow, Dumali. Yes, saint. Besides my Gopala Krishnan, Dumali is my life. She is also old like me. Oh, saint, your face resembles like my Gopala Krishnan.
Actually, his name is also Krishna. Isn't it amazing?
Oh, I forgot something. Can you please accept this? We're very thankful to you. We have a long way to go. We better hurry up before it gets really dark.
My Gopalakrishnan has taken everything away from me. Only my cows left. Oh saints, I have a few coins that I got yesterday by selling the milk. Can you please accept this?
Thank you. We will see you very soon.
Krishna, did you hear? The cow and calf have died just now. The poor lady is crying. She lost everything now. Oh Krishna, did you do that?
Narada, let us get back to Goloka right now. I will explain everything there.
After visiting old lady house, Narada became more upset and confused. He don't know what is there in Krishna's mind. He was thinking and thinking and thinking, but was unable to draw any conclusion out of it. His mind is full of doubts now. Let's see in this scene how his doubts got cleared.
Narada, are you alright?
I am upset, angry and confused.
Why?
Lord, you know why. To that zamindar who threw us out on the street, you gave him plenty of wealth. And to that poor lady who gave everything, you took away even her only cow she had. You are merciless. I simply do not understand you at all.
Narada, calm down. Let me explain. Hear this very carefully. For me, my dear devotees are my very life.
Ah, then why did you do this to that poor lady who was your dear devotee?
She belongs to me. I want that soul here. But she had one little problem.
Problem? What problem? She is the best devotee I have ever seen.
Narada, when I see a very nice fragrant flower, I become greedy and I want it for me. Her soul is one such flower. She almost had her whole heart for me. But the only problem is, in her heart, she had another attachment besides me. Attachment to her cow, Dumali. You know, I am not like the demigods. My subordinates who work for me, unlike demigods, I want the whole heart of my devotee, not part of it.
By killing her cow, her life is miserable now.
Yes, that is the favor I do to my dearmost devotees. Do you remember I said,
Yasya aham anugrami harisheta dhanam shanay tato dhanam tyajantasya swajana dukha dukhitam.
if I want to favor someone, I deprive him of his wealth. Then the relatives and friends abandon him. He suffers one distress after another. Now she will think only about me and is detached from everything else. This way she will come to me very soon. You will see for yourself.
But then what happened to those innocent cow and calf you killed?
Oh, Narada, that cow and calf are already here. It is them.
Then why did you bless the Zamindar instead of cursing him?
Narada, that blessing I gave was actually a worse curse.
What? Why?
That soul is a foul-smelling flower. I do not want it.
Then, why did you give him more wealth?
I destined him to be stuck in the material world and suffer forever. Material wealth, fame, beauty, women, all these will be attractive only to those kind of people. Naturally, their hearts will be inclined in worshipping other devatas who can bestow them. They all go to the world of those devatas.
Oh Lord, your pure bhaktas are very special.
Their bliss comes only by serving me alone and making only me happy.
Oh Lord, now it makes sense to me. Your pure bhaktas are very different.
They bind me in their heart with the ropes of prema. Actually, they control me, and I am just a puppet in their hands. I do not have any independence of my own, Narada. I dance at their command.
Oh Lord, the glories of your devotees are unimaginable.
Oh Narada, see, my dear most devotee has come. This is the same Yamuna we met.
Oh Lord, now my doubt is completely gone. No one can really understand you, your pure bhaktas, your leelas and your glories. This entire Goloka Vrindavan, which is the abode of you, the Swayam Bhagavan, and above the Vaikuntha Lokas, is eternally dancing and singing your glories forever.
Wasn't that a fantastic drama? Just give a big Hari Bol, a loud noise of applause. How many of you all